Hi, and welcome to this course. In this new series, we are going to learn about Nest.js. Yes, Nest.js is used for making RESTful APIs. If you have learned AngularJS, Angular with TypeScript, then this framework is for you, very friendly. How? Because almost all the syntax in this framework resembles to Angular. So if you go to nestjs.com, you can see their website. So it's a progressive Node.js framework for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side applications. Okay, it's progressive, is versatile. That means it is very flexible and it's extensible. How does Nest.js looks like? You can see this is a controller page, app.controller.ts. You see similar kind of implementation as in Angular. So this is only 14 line of code and you see your server is up and running. So you can imagine you can make applications UI, user interface in Angular, and then you can send HTTP request to this application as a backend. All your business logics will go here and they can be accessed by for example, AngularJS or React.js libraries. Okay, so this is Nest.js and a vast variety of companies using this. See, so it's a really good library by JS, that means JavaScript, and it is fully open sourced. And more probably, it has a open community where you can share or have help from other developers as well. But don't worry, I am at your service. If you go to documentation, then you will come across introduction and you need to go here in the installation part. Open your CMD, and here you can use this to paste it. Just like this. Hit enter and you will install Nest.js CLI, that is command line interface. You will be able to install this. Once installed, you need to go to your folders where you want this project to be built. Like for example, I have made one folder here, Nest.js, and inside this, here, run cmd. So you see you have the path inside Nest.js, and here you need to copy this command, nest new, like this, and the name of your app which you want to keep. In my case, playground app. Hit enter, and this will start installing. Now you see in my Nest.js library, I have prepared this app for you. And this is built once you hit this command. Now open this in your Visual Studio Code. And I have opened this app in my Visual Studio Code. Now go to terminal, hit new terminal, and then try to use one command, npm run start. Hit enter and your server will start. You see Nest start because this is Nest.js, so we are starting the Nest.js API. This is our backend API where we are going to write business logics and we will communicate with our Angular application or React application. You see it has started, and now head back to localhost 3000 and you see you get hello world. So bravo, we have started our first app in Nest.js. Now, most of our things we are going to study in the next lecture. What is this file structure? But for your convenience, the page you are seeing is from app.controller.ts file. If you see, getHello returns one function which is getHello, and this is a get method. Go inside and you see this message hello world. Let me just use it like this, hit save, and now you see, just let me check. Okay, clear my screen and let me start the server. Let it start. Okay, cool. Now if I hit reload, you see my text is now over here. So this is the very quick introduction about Nest.js, how you can make REST APIs and how you have to set up the process. And also don't forget to install node.js if you don't have already. Go to nodejs.com and hit this button and your node.js installer will be downloaded. Hit next, and you should have node.js on your system. Now if you hit cmd, you will able to see like this node.v node version. Okay, and also please check for npm node package manager, check the version, and you check you got the version. That means you have successfully installed everything on your system. From the next lecture, we are going to study the folder structure inside the nest.js, and we'll start building our REST APIs, because this is a very demanding and very popular framework. So please study this because this is very important. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel because I'm making so much of technological videos free of cost. And it takes lots of hard work in developing these videos. Please help me to increase my subscribers. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.